Hi everybody, this is Roxy with the Dollar Tree haul. It's been a while. I haven't gone for a couple weeks. Probably a month actually. Anyways, I saw these. These are fun little bins. I think you go like that. Put these over here and then you can stack them on top of each other. There. So that stacks really well. So I got 3 of them, and I'll install them where I'm thinking of installing them, and we'll shoot you a picture of it. All right, I was kind of hungry when I went, and I found one of these. These I've had before from Dollar Tree. They're actually really good. It's just the stuff you need for a cheesecake, except for the cream cheese and the graham cracker crust. You can always make one of those or buy it somewhere. So you're just adding cream cheese and a 8-ounce container of like Cool Whip or whatever, and they're delicious. Then I found these for like some of my cookbooks I'm doing, just to add a little fun thing. And I got 2 of these for like tags and books with gardening and floral and insect and that. Then it's a small haul. I found these. These are really cool. They're little cakes. You just add water, I think. Yeah, water. And microwave. And then there's the little frosting sprinkles on top. So I got one for me, a unicorn, and an astronaut for Scrubby. Looks like the moon rocks. So that may be a fun little dessert. And that is it, my friends. I did go for specific things for my Pioneer Village, which I could not wait to finish and reveal it to you guys. It's so much fun. I started in April and I'm just having a blast. But the store, I went to a store that's near my hair salon, and they have the worst, absolute worst employees and manager. Nothing was on the shelves. 2 aisles, the shelves were filled with boxes, and nobody was doing anything about it. One's outside having a smoke, 2 of them are in the back talking, and the one girl working was cashing out. So I'm not going to go back to that one anymore, especially because it was a waste of time. I got stuff I didn't even go for and didn't get anything that I needed. So that's my little rant about that place. But anyways, thanks for watching. I can't wait to try these for supper tonight, well, for dessert. Alright, see you later. Bye.